Hi everybody, this is the left-handed shooter. Today we're going to take a look at this Protocol HammerPlus tool. I got this for Christmas, I don't know, 8 or 10 years ago. It's been a while. I never even used it or really looked at it till I was going through my drawer of different stuff and saw it in here. I said, I thought I'd do a little review on it. I think these go for around $16 or so. Comes with the tool, comes with a sheath, little nylon sheath here. It's right in here. You know, it's got a belt loop here. I think it's got like 10 tools on it. And in my guess, probably does all the different tools, probably does nothing any good. That's the way these tools are. They're kind of neat, but kind of not. Okay, first off, as you can see, it's got a hammer. And if you can see, I don't even know, it's not even that even the way they did this. It's got this thing right here, you know, loose as a goose. Let me come back here. It's got pliers. And inside of here, like a wire cutter. I guess that would work okay. It's a wire cutter. And here it's got a scraper. Or I guess you could use it as some kind of screwdriver. Then it has a serrated blade. Let's close this up. And the open has a nail nick. On this side here, yeah, this thing works great. It has a blade, which I've never touched the thing, and trust me, it's not very sharp. It needs to be sharpened. Now I don't know I don't know if this down here, you're supposed to use this as some kind of tool thing too or something. I have no idea. I don't know why they have it all serrated here, but maybe you can use this as some form of tool. And then if you notice at the top here has a place for like an Allen deal. And then on the back of here, undo this, comes all these different tools like screwdrivers and different stuff. They'll fit in here. But the big problem here is it's not magnetic, so it can loosen up and the stuff can fall out. I mean, but here this has never been in and out of here. It's like brand new, so stuff is sticking. But you know how that goes. It's gonna probably fall out sooner or later. Let's try some different ones. They actually are staying in there, which is amazing. I mentioned before, this thing goes for around $16. To me, it's probably worth about $2. If this is your set of tools, you're in bad shape. It's like a novelty item. Like, I don't know what to get someone for Christmas. I'll get them that. That's how I got it. And that's why I've never used it. I saw it and go, oh, cool. Threw it in a drawer. So, that is your Protocol HammerPlus tool. And remember to like and subscribe. If you got any comments on this thing, leave them below. And remember, on this channel, we like to say, let's go, Brandon. Catch you on the next one. Later, guys.